Hello, I'm Roger Maltby. Today you'll discover why Element 21 scandium makes steel, titanium, and graphite composites obsolete. And there's only one company that has taken this smart metal, which has improved the performance characteristics of missiles and jet fighters, and engineered it to maximize the performance in a golf club. In fact, the technological advantage of scandium is so dramatic, many of the top players in the world have switched and are winning with it in their clubs. And they're not even being paid to play it. For every level of golfer, it's more accurate than steel and graphite. Element 21 scandium is the next evolution in golf equipment.
The first time I tried the E21 scandium technology, it was really cool because it gave you the ultimate combination of not only stability, but also the feel.
When I first picked it up, scandium I thought was a cool name. While skeptical, after my first couple of balls on the range, I couldn't quite believe it.
The distance that I was able to get out of the E21 hybrid was an amazing thing, and it just really pops off the club head.
Without a doubt, the scandium technology is going to make graphite and steel obsolete because it gives you the distance of graphite and the accuracy of steel.
Being a former tour player and now a commentator, I spend a lot of time out on tour. So a big part of my job is to stay current with the latest technology. We hear a lot of hype about new materials, new clubs, and much of it is just that, hype. While I was aware that scandium is the 21st element on the periodic table, I wondered how that was going to translate into golf. Scandium is valued for its lightweight, super strength, and dynamic memory, which allows it to retain its shape and consistency under tremendous stresses.
Is there really a club that is that much better? Is there actually any new technology that isn't just hype? To answer those questions, let's bring out a friend of mine, golf course designer, one of the top instructors in the game, and a pretty darn good player, Rick Smith. Rick,
Roger,
good to see you.
Great to see you again, my friend.
Rick, being out on tour coaching some of the best players in the world, you have a chance to try just about every new club that's introduced.
Well, I've been on tour for a long time, working with all these players, and one of the things that I get excited about is technology. It helps the common player, and it surely, the best players in the world are looking for that little extra edge. And until now, scandium technology has never really been introduced to golf. And in fact, it was during the season, I was out on tour and somebody said, hey, take a look, hit this club. And I hit it, and it felt unbelievable. And it was just like an instant feel. And then all of a sudden I said, well, what is it? And then they started talking about scandium technology, and I've learned a lot about it. It's completely different. First thing, scandium being so strong and stronger than titanium and lighter than titanium. So what that's going to do, it's going to then allow the player, whether it's a common golfer or the best players in the world, stability through impact. And that's something they're always looking for. And getting a dispersion to where if you're crooked, you're going to be less crooked. If you're going to having problems distance-wise, the face material is going to give you the pop, and it's still, within USGA specs.
We've heard all the claims from golf companies. Their new technology somehow makes their new golf club better. But have there really been any new materials that have made a dramatic improvement in golf clubs since titanium and graphite? How about using the top secret classified smart metal used in ballistic missiles in a golf club? Golf club design and construction isn't rocket science, is it? It hasn't been until now. Introducing the most advanced material in golf, Scandium SC from Element 21. With stronger and lighter materials, precision manufacturing, and 3 years of extensive tour testing, you'll hit the Element 21 hybrid really long, and it is unquestionably more accurate than any other hybrid you've ever hit. The multiple patented Element 21 EMC² hybrid truly puts rocket science into your golf game.